guys! Welcome to this another vlog. In this vlog, we will be sharing to you a simple do-it-your-own ballet bar. Wow! Maybe you're wondering, what is this ballet bar? Just to let you know, my daughter, Lian, is actually having her ballet class online. It was almost a year already.
Yeah.
It's online, and good thing, she is now promoted into another level, which we're very happy that she learned a lot, even if it is online. And one of the requirements is to have a ballet bar.
It's coming on June.
Yes, it will start on June. So, since it's difficult to find here, like an assembled one, and good thing, her teacher gave us a video on how to do it your own a ballet bar, and we're just following it. This simple video that we will be sharing will help those of you who are also planning, or maybe not now, in the future, that you send your kids to ballet class, especially this time of pandemic, mostly online, and they need to make their own ballet bar. Okay? So, I hope you will enjoy this special vlog that we will be sharing to you, and we will try to simplify everything so that you can follow it easily. Are you ready, Ate, to make the ballet bar?
Yes.
Okay, so she will be my assistant.
Yay.
But make sure kids will be safe while doing this. Okay?
Because
So,
the hammer and the glue.
exactly, we will be sharing to you the materials needed, and we will start the assembly process. So you will need at least 2 pieces 48 inches. Then we need also 2 pieces of this 26 inches. And as well as 6 pieces of this 8 inches. Then we need to have 6 pieces elbow joint, 4 pieces T-joint, and of course we need to use a hammer or a rubber mallet, and also our PVC cement. The diameter of these PVC pipes are actually 1.5 inches. Okay, first, if you have a workshop, then better to do it in your workshop. In our case, we will just do it inside our house. Okay, so first we will assemble the base. So we have 2 bases of our ballet bar. So first, we'll take one of these 8 inches, okay, and the T joint. If you see, this should be up, okay, that one. Then put on the other side, another end of the T joint, the other 8 inches pipe. Okay, use this elbow on the other end and make sure this one is really going down and this one is also going up. Okay, and put again another elbow joint on the other side, same what you did. Then you can actually use a wooden mallet, the better, because it will avoid breaking the PVC pipe. But if you're using a hammer, make sure it's not that very strong so that it won't break. Okay, so make sure put it on the even surface, that this is actually even. Okay. Once it's finished, put it on the side. Then get another T-joint, same as what we did there. Okay. Then another 8 inches pipe on the other end of the T-joint. See? Same also the elbow. And the other elbow joint on the other end. Make sure it's even. You can compare both. It should be on the same length. Otherwise, you need to adjust. Okay, so once it's done, put it on the sides. Then we'll go to this long one. On the other end, we'll put the elbow joint. By the way, this time we will not yet put the PVC cement, no? We just need to assemble it first. Then at the other end is as well another elbow joint. Okay, make sure it's also even. Now, when it's done, put it aside, and then we will get the other 48 inches pipe with this T-joint and the other T-joint as well. Okay, then the two remaining 8 inches here. Then join it on the other one.
Oh wow!
And see? Just make sure it's even. It's almost there. Then set aside. Now on your base, put this. This one as well on the other base.
Oh wow!
Then, yes, we need to put it
Where is
all
it?
together.
Oh wow! I think they're straight. Yeah. Really works. See?
So by the way, once it's already ready, and when you put the PVC cement, make sure, like if you have workshop, do it there because this is actually
Very bad smell.
volatile, okay, and not good as well if you do it inside. It might go into your AC system. So I will not be showing to you because I will need to do it out, and I'll be back when this is ready. Okay, see you in a bit.
A few moments later.
So this is it. It's already assembled and it's already glued. And by the way, I glued all the joints using the PVC cement except for the 26 inches pipe. This one. It's not glued from here and here as well. And also on the other end. This is for your storage purposes, so that it will not, create a lot of space when you store, so you can just disassemble, okay? But the rest of the joint are glued, and make sure it's glued properly on ventilated area, also on the location, and it will stick easily, okay? And apart from that, this is already completed. You can also paint it using a spray paint. It's your choice what color you want. You'll just use a primer first, then your desired color. Okay, so I hope this video helps you do your own ballet bar. Okay, and yeah, as long as all the resources are available, then you can just easily assemble it on your own. I hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching. See you on our next vlog. Bye!
Bye.